All right, hello everyone. Thank you for joining the asset quiz today. Um, the American Society of Science, Engineering, and Technology, or ASSA, welcomes students from all corners of the world to participate in the asset quiz for the September 2025 edition. My name is Arsh Faisal. I'm one of the members of the ASSA High School Committee. I am an 11th grader at Lexington High School in Lexington, Massachusetts, and I will be the asset moderator today. And before we start the asset quiz, I'd like to give a brief introduction to asset. To students who are new to the program, asset has been successfully conducting monthly quizzes for school students since 2023, and asset organizes monthly quizzes designed to spark curiosity and sharpen knowledge across math, science, technology, engineering, English, history, social studies, and geography. So like the basics, what you learn in school. So we like to sharpen that knowledge and improve that, hopefully. And these quizzes are tailored to elementary, middle, and high school students across all grades. And we intend to make learning fun, competitive, and globally inclusive. ASSA started the ASSA Open Quiz Challenge from the month of July. So what is the ASSA Open Quiz Challenge? In this, the pre-quiz questions will be posted on the Asset YouTube channel on the handle at Asset Online 700 approximately 1 week before the commencement of the actual Asset quiz. And you can visit the handle on YouTube and prepare yourself for the Asset quiz. The questions, most, all of the questions there will be on the actual quiz, not all of them, but only 50 of them. So you will have the questions in advance. And if you want to be the first to know of the posting of the pre-quiz videos, please subscribe to the Asset again on the handle at Asset Online 700 on YouTube. Take a maximum advantage and be an integral part of the Asset educational activities as an Assets ambassador to build up your resume for the better future. Apart from the quizzes, Asset's vision is to bud future scientists by providing a scientific platform for the high school, undergraduate, and postgraduate students, alongside some of the internationally famous senior scientists, to learn and share their knowledge with other science-loving audiences. This scientific activity is done through the ASSA Annual Hybrid Conference. ASSA has successfully organized its ASSA Annual Hybrid Conferences on an international level, and the fifth ASSA Annual Conference will be announced in a couple of months. Asa is also present on social media, including YouTube, as mentioned earlier, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. So please visit the handle at Asset Online 700 on YouTube to watch and learn the award ceremony and amazing research work that is presented by high school, undergrad, and postgrad students, including junior and senior scientists. So now to the actual quiz. We are using the Kahoot platform for the Asset Quiz competition. Since January 2025, Asset has been conferring 10 cash prizes or gift cards considering the overwhelming participation of students. Now I'll go over the rules of the quiz. There will be 5 cash prizes or gift cards with a value of $30, $25, $20, $25, and $10 uh, for the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth place respectively. And from 6th to 10th place, you'll receive $10 each. Pre-registration of the participants with their full names and school names to receive the ASSEC quiz prizes. As soon as the moderator announces the Kahoot quiz code, please enter it immediately to join the quiz. The quizzer will allow 5 to 10 minutes for your entry into the quiz depending on the number of participants. Please bear with us in case of a little delay. Number 5, mute yourself and do not speak on the microphone or write your answers in the chat, as that will disqualify you from the ASSEC quiz. And lastly, in case if there is a disagreement between the competitors, the moderator's decision will be final. With this, I'll now be sharing my screen and showing the asset uh, quiz code. Please bear with me for a second. Let me just get it loaded up. Yeah, I'm seeing your messages in the chat. I will be sharing the quiz. Just bear with me for a moment. Thank you. Alright, can you guys see my screen? Can you guys confirm in the chat if you guys can see my screen? Alright, first question. How many sides does the hexagon have? 8, 5, 6, or 7? Yeah, 6 sides. We can tell by the prefix. Hex is 6. That's the leaderboard. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury, Venus, Earth, or Mars? Yeah, Mercury. The national bird of India is, yeah. I'm seeing that a lot of you guys are personally messaging me to start the quiz. Please don't do this. We'll start the quiz when we have to. Thank you. How many days are there in a leap year? Yeah, 366. What is the capital of India? Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, or Kolkata? Yeah, Delhi. What part of the plant makes food? Yeah, leaves. Which animal is known as a ship of the desert? Yeah, camel. We saw the image there, but yeah. Which is the fastest land animal? Yeah, cheetah. How many players are there in a cricket team? Again, please don't type your answers in the chat. We've discussed that this will disqualify you from the actual quiz. Which organ pumps blood into the human body? Yeah, again, we saw the image there. How many months have 31 days? Yeah. Which blood group is known as the universal recipient? For context, the universal recipient means they can take any type of blood. Yeah, AB. More specifically, AB negative. But yeah. The Great Wall of China is mainly located in, yeah. I mean, it's in the question, but which is the largest gland in the human body? Yeah, liver. Which two elements make up water? Yeah, oxygen and hydrogen. And we know that the chemical formula of water is H2O. So yeah, two hydrogen and one oxygen. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? Yeah, 0 degrees Celsius. The currency of the US is a blank. Yeah, the US dollar. Again, please do not type your answers in the chat. This is your last warning. Thank you. In computers, www stands for, yeah, World Wide Web. Who discovered penicillin? Yeah, Alexander Fleming. The largest bone in the human body is blank. Yeah, the femur. Which gas causes global warming the most? Yeah, carbon dioxide. I could honestly see how the one person said ozone, because the ozone layer is what causes global warming. Like it is the which is the smallest planet in the solar system? Yeah, Mercury. Who is known as the father of the Indian nation? Yeah, Mahatma Gandhi. Which country is the largest producer of coffee? Yeah, Brazil. After this question, I'll show you the leaderboard. But what is the chemical formula of sulfuric acid? Alright, so here's what the leaderboard looks like. Alright. Who is the author of 1984? Yeah, George Orwell. The process of conversion of solid directly into gas is blank. Yeah, sublimation. The SI unit of power is blank. Yeah, the watt. The Battle of Plassey was fought between which two nations? Yeah, the British and Sirajudullah. The outermost layer of the sun is called blank. Yeah, the corona. Which Indian mathematician was awarded the Fields Medal in 2014? Yeah, Manjul Bhargava. Which is the hardest natural substance? Yeah, diamond. The atomic number of carbon is blank. Yeah. What is the fastest land animal? Wait, what? Yeah, cheetah. Which of these is not a renewable source of energy? Yeah, cool. The first computer programmer in history was, yeah, Ada Lovelace. The SI unit of electric current is blank. Yeah, the ampere. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Yeah, Leonardo da Vinci. The Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in which city? Yeah, Oslo. No, wait. Which is the smallest prime number greater than 100? Again, please do not send your answers in the chat. This will disqualify you from the ASAC quiz. Yeah, 101. Which blood cells help in clotting? Yeah, Platelets. Which is the largest ocean on Earth? Yeah, the Arctic Ocean. The SI unit of frequency is blank. Yeah, the Hertz. Which country launched the world's first artificial satellite? Yeah, at the time it was the USSR, but yeah, Russia. Which is the largest desert in the world? Yeah, it's the Antarctica. In which organ of the human body are nephrons found? Yeah, the kidney. What is the value of pi up to two decimal places? Yeah, 3.14. Who is known as the father of modern physics? Hmm. All right, last question. Which continent has the most countries? Yeah, Africa. All right. All right. Asset thanks all the students for participating in the Asset 2025 in the Asset September 2025 monthly quiz. Asset congratulates all 10 winners who came from first to 10th place. The winners will receive their cash prizes and gift cards in 1 week or so. Congratulations to all of you once again. I don't have all the names laid up, so we will make sure you guys get your money. Congratulations to all of you once again, and I wish to see you all next month. Goodbye.
Thanks, Harsh. Did an excellent job. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.